Hey guys, this is Garner the Young and I'm Vijay back with a new video. In today's episode, we are going to see about pruning, how to prune your plants, when to prune your plants, and some basic tips on pruning coming up. So without any further delays, let's get into the video. So basically, what is pruning? Pruning is nothing but cutting of plant parts is known as pruning. It is of basic two types, soft and hard. Pruning for dead branches and leaves like these, and trimming off drying branches, dead flowers, buds, and any bad growth. So basically trimming and cleaning off any dry plant parts or any dead plant part is known as soft pruning. You can do soft pruning in any time of the year, and these can be used for composting. Next, let's see about hard pruning. Hard pruning is nothing but cutting off the main branches, main stem, and making your plant bald and empty without any leaves is known as hard pruning, and this cannot be done throughout the year like trimming and soft pruning. This has to be done only at specific times. Let's see how to do hard pruning first, and then let's talk about when to do it. So let's see the pruning tip number 1. Always use a sharp and sterilized tool for pruning. You can use any kind of rubbing alcohol or Dettol which we use at home as an antiseptic for sterilizing it. Your pruning tool is a must because you might be using the same tool for pruning different plants. So if it is infected, if any other plant is infected, the infection might transfer to the other plant. So always make sure you sterilize your pruning tool. Tip number 2 is make sharp and angular cuts like this. Again, sharp cuts lessens the chances of infection, whereas improper cuts creates chance of more infections. So make sure you cut them sharply. Third tip is you can start propagating these cuttings and grow new plants, or you can also compost them. Lastly, after hard pruning, end it up by fertilizing your plant a little with any kind of nitrogen-rich organic manure. So as I said earlier, you cannot do hard pruning throughout the year. It has to be done only in specific times of the year. Suppose you feel that your plant is outgrown, overgrown, and it looks stunted and not growing anymore. So that's the time you can do hard pruning, like the coleus which I did now. Or you can do hard pruning before the start of any season of its growth. For example, roses do well in spring, so before the start of spring you can do hard pruning. Oranges bloom and flourish well in winter, so you can prune your orange or lemon plants before the start of winter, which is around November-December time. And you can avoid pruning in summer because it would end up as another stress during the summer for the plant, and many might not survive pruning in summer, so avoid pruning. That's all about pruning. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.